Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, incarnates on earth whenever evil runs unchecked to restore worldly order. Of his 10 primary incarnations, called the Dashavatar, the third is the boar or Varaha avatar. Let's see why. In the Satyug, the first of the 4 dharmic ages, a kalpa or a cosmic cycle had just ended, with the world immersed in oceanic floods. As a new kalpa began, Bhoomadevi, the Mother Earth, was still being tossed around in the waves and pushed to the bottom of the ocean. To rescue her, Brahma prayed to Lord Vishnu, and a tiny boar emerged out of Brahma's nostril. As the boar kept growing till it attained a colossal form, Brahma knew that it was Lord Vishnu himself. The boar dived into the ocean and found Bhoomadevi on the ocean bed. He lifted her on his tusks and proceeded towards the surface. In the meanwhile, a demon named Hiranyaksh had become powerful with a boon from Brahma that he cannot be killed by any god, or deva, or human, and even certain beasts. He went about threatening and terrifying the devas, who went into hiding. When challenged, Varun, the lord of the oceans, submitted, saying that only Lord Vishnu was a worthy opponent for Hiranyaksh. Coming across sage Narad, Hiranyaksh learned that Vishnu was in a boar form inside the ocean. He taunted the boar and called for a fight. The Lord ignored him first to take Bhoomadevi to safety. But as Hiranyaksh continued to insult him, the boar kept Bhoomadevi aside, giving her the power to survive, and responded to him. They engaged in a furious battle, but Hiranyaksh had failed to mention a boar in his boon from Brahma, and was finally slain by the Lord in the form of a boar. Thus, Lord Vishnu, in Varaha avatar, defeated evil and rescued Mother Earth to bring the world back to life.